We are ready for another little wonder. Hold on to your hats. We've had a bit of drizzle this morning, but it's all clearing up thankfully. Meant to get some winds tonight and then it should be nicer tomorrow. Welcome back for a little wonder. Today we are at the Scrub Camp, which is Inman Valley, and we're here for 3 nights. So we've just arrived, we got in pretty late, and then we had a bit of a problem with the bog, so we've moved out and found another patch. We're on a bit of a slant, we've just got that sorted out. It's a beautiful spot. We'll head off Monday, and it'll just be really nice to kick back, and we've just got the fire started. And we're going to do a bit of a camp oven cook up tonight, and we are just grinding some coffee to get that sorted out. So yeah, welcome back. There's a beautiful little sand pit here, and there's a nice swing which Amelia's just having a go on. There's a big camp kitchen here, and I'll swing around in a moment and show you that. And then Quinny's over the back on a hammock, just enjoying the little setup we've got. This is the camp kitchen that's a setup. So you've got barbecue, gas bottle there as well, benches, there's some couches with a fire pit, some chairs, and you set up another hammock. And it's just a really nice little spot here. And you're sort of tucked away, it's pretty protected. They've had a bit of wind today, but it seems to have gone alright. Brett's just found some, I don't know what, I won't call it coffee because I don't think it's that.
Smooth as
And you've got a sink facility there, and you've got a basin around this side as well, and there's even a dartboard under there, just for protection obviously. But yeah, it's great. Good little spot. This Hipcamp location, Mark's done plenty of sites. More size here for tents or vans. Our camper trailer's got a fairly hefty footprint size. But there's hammocks and swings at everyone. There's a couple of portaloos too. So it's just really nicely set out. So you have a bit of space as well, which is great. So there's a few people at this campsite tonight, so we've been a bit quiet on filming. We've just got a little fire in front of us. We cooked some chicken up and had a quick dinner. I lit a bonfire over the back, but it started to rain and it's getting late. So we've popped the girls in bed, and hopefully tomorrow we get a bit more time to get some filming and flare on. But for the moment we're just enjoying the fire. Only the best equipment for tampering the coffee. Good morning, everyone. Not sure if you can see the stars, but it is a beautiful morning. Had a bit of drizzle overnight. Had someone playing recorder at 10 o'clock at night. That was fun. No one likes recorder at the best of times. Anyway, coffee. coffee's on. Let's see what today brings. Oh, we got fire. Just getting it ready. Got our coffee. Listening to all the birds wake up now. Without a doubt, the best part of the day. The morning is definitely the best. There's been quite a few people here, it's been pretty noisy. But we're the only ones up at the moment, so it's good. Such a beautiful morning today. That's the road in. And then on the other side, this little bush. It's a little campsite. And as I said, we had a little bit of drizzle overnight. Nothing too bad. Definitely testing out the camper with the new waterproofing we put on. Should be good. But this view is insane. It's a really beautiful, beautiful spot. These guys just come and check out what I'm doing. Having a squawk. But pretty epic view for the morning sunrise. It's all clearing up today by the looks. See around the back there. Just been for a little dawdle, check out the farm at the back. Magic spot, really, really nice. And it just opens up as far as you can sort of see over the hills over the back there. We found this one on Hipcamps and it's a beautiful spot. A bit uneven here and there, so if you've got a camper trailer like us, you have to use the blocks and stuff provided. We've got some little ramps there we use. But yeah, really well thought out with the kitchen and the swings and stuff for kids to do. It's that helped while we were setting up, that's for sure. So yeah, it'd be nice. Apparently there's some waterfalls and things close by, so we might go check out them today. And Mark, the host, he was saying that there's a place that does really nice Belgian waffles. So it'd kind of be rude not to check them out, wouldn't it? Just seen a little blue wren, I'll see if I can get him for you. We have just come to the Port Elliot bakery. We're going to stop and check out the treats they've got. I've heard heaps of really good things about it. So yeah, we'll check it out for ourselves, I think. Yours looks alright, Quinny. Jamelia, show us yours. What'd Dad go for? Claire. Get in. I got on the pistachio lemon donut. So we bought the girls these VTech cameras and it's got some memory on there. You can add in little memory cards as well, but they can take video and they can take pictures as well, so they're great. The girls are really enjoying having those. We just come to a little Port Elliot lookout for a little look. Just been in the bakery, all had our donuts. So bloody lovely. Especially the one I had was a pistachio lemon one. Beautiful. And the sun is so nice, it's nice and warm. There's still quite a cool cutting wind, but the sun definitely takes the edge off. Looks like it's going to be a magic day. So across there's Victor Harbour. Oh, we had a bit of a rogue wave. Even I got a bit wet. I was just lucky I switched on quick enough. Just giving the dogs a bit of a run. They love the water. We don't get down to the beach as much as we used to when we're on the sunny coast. And they absolutely love it. Anyway, what'd you go for? Ice cream. Billabong?
Billabong.
Rainbow. Nice choice. Quinny, what's your ice cream? Is that a Lifesaver one? Looks pretty good. Is it yummy? Yeah, nice. Cracking day today. So the little bay we're at was Horseshoe Bay, and it's a nice little area, and I think it was from 1851 or something. It's 1864 that they used to bring goods and drop them off and supply and all that. And then I think 4 ships in 1 year got wrecked. They were trying to seek haven from storms. So you can see it all at the back there. So the little spot stopped. Got the memorial there. It's a nice little spot to come and have a look. 1.8k walk if you want to do a little coastal walk. Top sound. It's a bit wet, so we've just got the other bush telly going. We've changed it up a gear. We've gone from cup of tea to the cider. And a couple of bickies waiting for this weather to clear, which no one ordered. No. Not at all, did we?
I didn't.
I don't think anyone did. Girls have got pasta and cheese tonight. It's their favourites. Had a massive day today out at Port Elliot. Best favourite. Went to Port Elliot, we had a donut, had a nice pick plate for lunch, and had some twisties for snacks, and now a bit of light dinner. And tonight for dinner we're going to parboil some spuds and then put them in with some chorizo, mushroom and red onion, and just put them in the fry pan then. So it should be really lovely. So as I said, we've gone the chorizo, sausage, red onion, mushrooms and spuds, and then just fried it off. Looks the goods. Good morning. I had a better sleep last night and no recorders, which was pretty good. All the birds are waking up. We've got the fire going. Having a coffee. Boss is having his coffee. I'm definitely warm enough. We've had the diesel heater going just to take the edge off it. And it sits around probably 12 degrees, but yeah, it was really, really nice. During the day it's been really beautiful, except for yesterday afternoon we had a bit of rain that was a bit constant. But otherwise it was really nice here. And as you can hear, all the birds are just so active. But for the moment we're just enjoying the fire. The boss is on breakfast duty. Again, yeah, he likes the breakfast duty. English muffins with some bacon. And we bought a nice loaf of bread yesterday from the Port Elliot bakery. I'm going to have a piece of that with a
Delicious.
bit of bacon.
Yeah, I did.
Get in.
Need to get close.
A few marshmallows this morning. Quinn doesn't like hers toasted, so she's already pulled them off the fork and eaten them. The sun is out this morning again and it's beautiful. Hopefully today stays beautiful and sunny. There was a couple of other people here, they've headed off. We might go for a drive today. I think it's about 20 minutes away and it's a waterfall. I think it's all pretty easily accessible, so we might head there soon. I might put the drone up for a little bit first and see what pictures we get this morning. But as I said, sensational morning with the weather, really lucky. This is another little area you can come and park up. And we've had that much rain lately that when we first came to try and set up, the car just sunk. We didn't even move it, we were just checking it out the site and it sunk. We were going to reverse into here. But come summer, this would be a magic spot. Just got to watch out for some of the gums and them dropping some limbs. Such a nice spot here. To be fair, I probably would wait till the summertime and probably come for a swim in the dam and to sit down here and just enjoy the spot. I don't know how green it stays around here all year. We might have to come back again in summer and check it out. For the moment I've just put the drone up and taken a bit of footage, and then I think we're going to head off to these waterfalls and have a look. Another family that was here just a couple of days ago said it was really, really lovely, so I think we'll do that this morning and just have a squiz around and enjoy the sunshine while it hangs about. There's nothing on the radar to say that there's going to be any more rain, but you never can tell, and sometimes you just end up with weather. So even with the rain last night, we managed to get our camp up and cook up done. The rain was on and off, so I didn't get a lot of filming done. It worked out well with the chorizo sausage in with the potato and the red onion as well. Anyway, we'll see what the rest of today brings. But for the time being, we're going to enjoy the sunshine and head off. Maybe have a bit of morning tea before we go. So we've just come to the Hindmarsh Falls. You can hear them already walking down. The drive through here was magic. Not sure what it's like in summer here, but at the moment it's pumping. Pretty murky and brown. I think that's just because we've had so much rain. The views all around are really pretty. And the birds are all out today. That makes it really, really nice. I'll just show you up here, and you might have a better view of the hills. There we go. Quinn's got her little camera out.
Wait.
Organising to take some photos, eh, Quinn?
Yeah, but I'm trying to get off this.
Ah.
I'll just turn it on.
spotting the goldfish. We've come to Delicious. It's a Belgian waffle house. Earlier went for a vanilla milkshake. Quinny's gone for the strawberry. How is it, girls? So we went for the apple pie filling waffle. I'm just going to share it because it is massive. But I tell you what, it smells beautiful. What have you got, Quinny?
Smoothie.
Oh, nice. So we've just had an afternoon here chilling out. The girls have been drawing and playing, and we've put the drone up a few times and just sat around chatting, and it's been really, really lovely. We're about to get some dinner put on, so Brett and I are going to do some steaks up and make a garlic sauce, or garlic and mushroom sauce in the skillet, and the girls are just having some snags with some bread. Girls, they got their dinner. Pretty happy dancing there. So I've just put some garlic, mushrooms, red onion, some salt and pepper. Just going to let that heat back up a wee bit, and then I'll put the cream in. Let that all simmer down. Snags, steaks ready. Just the sauce. Lovely. Look at that. Get in. Delicious. Good morning. It is such a nice morning. As you can see, the moon's still out, and just catching a time lapse of the sunrise. You can hear the crows going off. There's been plenty of kookaburras as well, but it is such a beautiful morning. And we're up anyway, so I've got my coffee and trudged down this paddock just to get the sunrise. Listen to all the birds. I've got some cows up the back. They're not too interested yet. But we had a pretty good sleep, it wasn't too bad. Otherwise, we're packing up today and heading off. It's been a good little spot. I think next time I'll come a bit more prepared for the off sort of Canberra sites. But I'd definitely recommend this site. Mark's got it set up really, really well. So if you're around in South Australia and want to come to the Inman Valley, it's beautiful. And he's pretty happy for you to go walking through the paddock and have a look, and just as long as you treat animals with respect and you shut the gates after yourself, I think. There's a kookaburra. So we'll do another cook up for breakfast, and then we'll start getting packed down and head back. But it's been a great little trip. It's just been nice to get away and another reset. I hope you've enjoyed coming along for this one. All the crows going off, bloody crows. I don't like crows much, not my favourite. But this sunrise has just been fantastic. The colours are really punchy. I missed the very first blues because I was running down the paddock to get here. So I probably got here about 5:20, I think. 5:15. Shouldn't have been waiting for my coffee, I should just come down. got back on coffee duty. Lovely. As I said, this is what we use, Dog and Gun Red Stag this time. It's really nice and smooth. Beautiful coffee. Breakfast time. Quinn's got a little bit of bread. She's trying to con him into coming. One's gotten interested. We are on pack up. Already started getting the inside all stripped out, ready to go. We are all packed up and we're going to head off shortly. So Scrub Camp Site, Inman Valley, get amongst it. All organised to hit the Frog and Toad. It's been a good camp, really enjoyed it. So thanks very much for coming for a little wander.